Hi, this is Christian Freeman at Romano Subaru. I'm here with the 2020 Ascent, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your cell phone. All you need to do is go to your home screen, hit settings. Over here on the phone icon, you're going to click on that. It's going to ask you if you want to add a device. You'll say yes. You'll go to connections on your cell phone. You'll go to Bluetooth, and then you'll wait for it to show up. And there it is, the Subaru BT. Click on that. Make sure your PIN numbers are correct. Match up to 2. If they are correct, you hit OK and confirm. And then it'll ask you to download your contacts. You'll say yes and allow on your phone. And now you're ready to go. All contacts, text messages, and emails will be allowed to now be visual on your cell phone. And that is how you pair up your phone on the new 2020 Subaru Ascent. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Christian Freeman at Romano Subaru.